Hello students. Today we will learn about the guidance and counseling. So actually when we are talking about the guidance and counseling, so it is a actually helping way. Okay, for not only for the health and disease conditions, but it is also helpful for your education or marriage. So it is basically where we go for a problem solving techniques we used, and in this what actually we used to give the suggestion what actually patient a person can go for. There is some difference between guidance and counseling, what actually guidance does and what actually counseling do with. So when we go in this topic further, we will identify the what the difference is there. And guidance is the where we persuades people to take necessary actions. Okay, what action actually the person can take. And when we're talking about the in counseling is the involving a function process where the broadening of the guidance is there, actually where we go for informations and providing therapeutic assistance to the client, and which is helpful for the client. So let's see the what is its introduction parts of the guidance and counseling. Says one of the which is one of the most important area in the nursing education, which has acquired a considerable importance and received much attention in recent years in guidance and counseling. And guidance persuades people to take necessary actions, and counseling is necessary to help individual to escape impending more effective self-understanding and self-direction and self-realization. So what actually we go do in this is that basically we give an advice, and we go for making them to understand what importance is there in the things are there in their life, and make them to understand that where they can go for further. So in the present day, nurses have to acquire some specialized knowledge and regarding the guidance and counseling in order to guide the patients tactfully and highly competitive world. Okay, so let's see the first the definition of a guidance, and it is according to the Crow and Crow. And guidance is the assistance and made available by qualified and trained person to individual to any age to help them to manage his own life activities, develop his own point of view, make his own decisions, and carry his own burden. What actually we in the guidance is according to the Pro and Co is that we give the assistance. Okay, and in the assistance is given by the qualified trained person, and individually of any age. It can be of any age with the guidance is needed, and help him to manage his own life activity, whatever his life activities, marriage, education, job, whatever is there, the guidance will be given by the trained person to take out to his own life activity. Where we can go for the guidance and where are the areas where the guidance is needed. So here are the some points such as educational guidance, vocational guidance, personal guidance. Then we go for avocational guidance and health guidance and financial guidance. So these are the some of the areas where we can go for the area guidance. So first one is the educational guidance. When we are talking about the educational guidance, it's a point where the students benefits points is there. Okay, it says maximum benefits is given to the students, so then they can understand what satisfactory point is the according to their to how to perform in their academic and academically, and choose the appropriate course, because most of the time it's where we are means in conflicts to which course or which profession we must go after the 12th. It is where the actually it is not only in the higher education, but sometimes also when the students after completion of their graduation they are in the conflicts, so where which master degree they should go for. So these overcome the learning difficulties and foster creativity actually, and improve the level of motivation in the students, and utilizes the institutional resources such as library and the laboratory etc., so that the students can understand the benefits of the educational guidance. Then when we go talking about the vocational guidance, this is basically for the enabling the students to acquire information about the career opportunity, career growth and training facilities. What how they can grow in their career means, for example, if I'm a nursing in a nursing profession, What are my career opportunity? I can become a staff nurse in the government hospital or in the central government's jobs such as AIMS, railway, or many are there. So what's my career opportunities are there in the nursing field? I can get it through this vocational guidance. Nowadays also nursing practitioners are also available. So these are the certain things we can discuss in the vocational guidance. When you're talking about this personal guidance, so in the personal guidance it is related to the adjustment to the self. Actually this is all about the adolescent behavior, which is dependent on the moods and attitudes of the adolescents, and emotional instabilities of the characteristics of the adolescents. This is often may cause a personal problems also may be there, and severe competitions, irrational expectations are there with the parents also. So sometimes parents have some much more expectations, much expectations from their children related to their exams, marks, scoring, and related to their career, and so personal guidance will help them to understand, and they are finding out the difficulties and understanding the dislikes. Okay, what other dislikes are there, and understanding students may understand the dislikes of their teachers or their parents, and this help in to provide the student to enable them to adjust the situations too. Okay, so this is all about the personal guidance. Okay, let's see what is the your this avocational guidance. So avocational guidance is provided to spend the students have spent leisure times. Okay, how students can use their free times for their self growth. Most of the time what happens, students go for playing mobile games. So is it good? They may go do some creative. So this vocational guidance is related to utilization of your leisure time in a profitable manner. Okay, you can go for the paintings, you can go for the in a singing song, which is practicing dance when you're free, or practicing, if you are good in writing, you have a good writing skill, then you can go for writing poems and all. Then there is a health guidance. So health guidance is related to the uh, uh, students maintaining the sound hand. This is very important. Health is wealth, we all say. So this helps in actually maintaining good health, and necessary steps to maintain the good health, physical health and mental health too, for not only for the students. When we are talking over here in the colleges, we talk about the students, but also in the family and others. Okay, then is the financial guidance, which is related to the students determining the financial assistance. So they need the light expected, and hence they go for from financial organization completely. And other than this is one of the social guidance there, to follow human beings rules and regulations about your society, and respect the opinions and sentiments of the human beings too.